Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to start the process of publishing and deploying our application. In the first one we're going to deploy our database so it's not available only locally, and we're going to be using render.com free service. So let's do this.
Code with Sloba.
So the first thing that you need to do is to go to render.com and create your free account. As I said, no credit card required, and this is absolutely free. Obviously there are some limitations, but for this tutorial this is enough. So head over to your render.com dashboard. So just click on the top right corner here and let's wait it for to load. And once you're in your dashboard, you can click on this new button. With this we can create new service, and let's click on the Postgres here. Once this is loaded, we can create a new name. So let's name this one as test, like this. And now we just want to save it. So let's scroll down. We want to click on the free account here. And then let's just click on the create database here. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. We get some notification that they have some new features. We can close this. So just click on the close here. And after a couple of seconds, we were gonna get our database here. After this is done, we want to connect our database and our application actually to our database. So we can click here on the connect here on top, and we want to click on this external connection. So this is the string that we are actually going to need. So just copy this to the clipboard and let's head over to our application. So in our application, we want to open up an env file. So this is the file where we have a database URL. So let me close the Explorer, and inside of this database underscore URL, we just want to remove this local file and we want to paste the URL that we have just created. So this is the URL of our online, let's say, database. So let's save this. And now what we want to do is we want to update the service that we are using. And we need to go to the Prisma and to the schema.prisma. And here, what we need to do is we need to update the provider. So instead of using SQLite, we want to use the Postgres. And let's save this. And now we need to run the command where we actually push our database. So let's open the terminal, and inside of the terminal, let's run the following: npx prisma db push. And let's hit enter, and let's wait to see if this is successful or not. And now after a couple of seconds, or actually exactly 7 seconds, we have uploaded our database to render.com. So whenever we make any changes to our application, this is going to be available lively. And this is how we can publish our database. In the following tutorials, we will see how we can deploy our entire application. See you in the next tutorial. And if you want to support my channel and get a full source code of every single video that I'm doing, feel free to check out patreon.com Code with Sloba to get full access. See you there.
Code with Sloba.
Thank you for watching the entire video. To see more videos like this, click here.